Spencer's gonna be having some pineapple buns that we bought from Kiwa in LA. It's been sitting in the fridge, and now we're in Utah. Get to enjoy with some view. It's nice to have a pineapple sometimes, right? Yeah, we're gonna have some. I'm gonna cut it for you, okay? We're gonna have some. Here? Here, they're gonna cut it for you, okay? A little closer to.
Puppy.
Yeah, pineapple. Yummy?
Yeah.
Our soup is here. Be careful, okay? It's hot.
Mama
Eggs? No. Want some of the chicken? Ooh, the chicken looks pretty good. Mmm. You got 3 strawberries. One, 2, 3.
No.
4. That's number 4, isn't it?
I'm gonna give you a kiss.
What's up, guys? Today's day 1577 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we're currently somewhere in Utah. And this is a day in our lives. Last night we came to this really open, beautiful spot to camp. We're on our way over to the Great Basin National Park, and we didn't make it yesterday, so we had to find a place to camp, and this is where we were. Really beautiful site. You got mountains in the back here. You got snow-capped mountain. You guys probably can't see it all the way in the back, but super quiet here. There's not a soul around, and yeah, we had a really nice night here. Super quiet. This morning we already made breakfast. We hung out in the van. It's actually around 3 o'clock right now. We didn't go anywhere because we didn't want to make the drive to Great Basin while Spencer is awake. So we hung out in the van for a little while. We already played in the back, and yeah, we did our thing. So we're about to make the drive over to Great Basin National Park. Let me just show you guys how secluded we are where we were camping. Come up to the roof with me. Yeah, we're really in the middle of nowhere here. There's not a person around for miles. Such a beautiful place to be camping out here in Utah. Today's a little bit on the chillier side, cooler side. But when we get to Great Basin, it's going to be even colder because I think the elevation is higher. And yeah, it's going to be fun. So let's get driving. Hi, Spencer. Ready to go? Yeah? Ready to take a nap too? Yeah. All right, let's get going. Today's going to be a slow day for us. We're going to be doing a bunch of driving, and we're heading towards a town just right outside of Great Basin National Park called Baker, Utah. And we're probably not going to be able to do anything other than just head over to the campsite, or where we're going to be camping for the night. The visitor centers are already closed, so we're not going to go into the park today, most likely. since it's already 3 o'clock. Yeah, and I'll probably just keep this video shorter today. Oh, and Baker is actually back in Nevada, not in Utah.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
We're back in Nevada, back in the Pacific time zone. We're arriving the small town of Baker, Nevada, which is just right outside of the Great Basin National Park. We're gonna go fill up some gas in the van, and then we're gonna go find a spot to camp for the night. Let's fill up some gas at this spot here. It's a little bit more expensive, $3.99 per gallon, but there's not a big city around, so this will have to do. Yeah, it's pretty rocky. It's doable though, but people say it's pretty rough. What do you think? No? Okay, let's find a different spot then. We gotta find a spot to camp for the night. The spot that we were originally wanting to go to, the roads look really rocky, and we'll probably have a hard time getting in there. But let's see if there's any other sites. We might have to go back around. Over here? Is that a spot?
No, it's not. It's not. Nothing. Out of the land we go.
Yeah. Let's go through here first and game plan where we're gonna go. Alright, we're gonna turn back, heading towards Baker again. There's a spot that we found that's off of one of the highways there. There's a spot off of Highway 487, the gravel storage area. Looks like it's a pretty flat area. Should be good to camp. BLM land, free public land. Let's go check it out and see if it's a good spot. The Great Basin Visitor Center is here, but this one is closed like on the weekends. I think they only open several days a week. Yeah, it looks like it's here. There's a few big piles of gravel and dirt there. Yeah, I guess we can just find a spot to camp anywhere. This is like in the middle of the road though. Let's find a spot that is a little bit more secluded. Yeah. This is gravel, it's not sand. Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. It's pretty level. I think right here is fine. Spencer just woke up from his nap. He napped for like about an hour. Yeah. Let's go play outside for a little bit. Nice and warm. I'll show you guys the spot that we'll be camping here tonight. There's a few piles of gravel, dirt, asphalt here. Not the most glamorous site, but it's gonna be a quiet site here. The highway is just, we can see cars pass through, but we're not gonna hear anything. And there's no one else around here but us. So it's gonna be a fine site. Got some pretty nice views of the mountains too. Spencer! You go outside? Chairs out. Hey, chair here. That's a nice chair, isn't it? Yeah, but I'm gonna sit next to you, okay? Gotta wait for the bubbles to come out. And sugar to practice blowing bubbles. Yeah, press it. Nice. Did you scoop anything? I didn't get anything. We're opening up the solar panels to charge. Get a better charge. We got some sun today. I'm just going to charge up the all powers power station using the solar panels here. This is 400 watts of solar panel. This should give the power station a nice charge. And the tilted solar panels are more efficient than the ones that we have up in the roof because ours are flat. These are tilted towards where the sun is. And since right now it's still during the winter time, the sun's a little bit on the lower end. So the tilt is actually generating much better power than ours up on the roof. Hi, Spence. We're getting a 250 watt charge right now with the sun out of 400. Hi. Yeah. Kick to Charlie. Take a step back. Yes, like that. Leap over. Nice job. We're gonna hang out and play outside for a little while, and then in a few we're gonna start cooking dinner. Tonight we're going to be making some surf and turf. We got some ribeye cap roll here from 3 ribeyes that we had from Costco. We got a lobster tail, actually 2 lobster tails. Got this 2 days ago from the supermarket. Some shrimps from Costco, and then we also got the Atlantic salmon lemon thyme flavor. So we're going to be making all this stuff in a bit. I'm going to defrost some of the stuff first. This is the first time I'm cooking the ribeye cap rolls. I'm guessing it cooks the same as a regular ribeye. But let me first season it. I'm going to be using a salt and pepper seasoning. Something simple. Oh, thank you, Spence. You gonna help with the seasoning? It's pepper, isn't it? Oh, thank you for the salt. How do you help? There you go. Nice. You use 2 hands like this. Yeah. Let's start cooking. We'll turn the fan all the way up. Acts as an exhaust for the smoke to get out. I'm adding some beef tallow to the cast iron here. This is starting to smoke. I'm going to add in the ribeye cap. I'm going to use the cast iron press on it. Try to get a really nice sear. It's probably a better idea to tie it so that it doesn't come loose when I'm cooking it, but I don't have any strings or ties, so we'll see what happens. This is the first time I'm cooking the ribeye capped round, so let's see how it comes out. Let's give it a flip, see how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that nice sear there. Yeah, it's kind of coming apart. Oh yeah, it's looking really nice. Flip them over again. And let's just get it up to temperature. I'm going to lower the heat. The sear is good. I like how the sear looks. And I'll be just using a normal kitchen thermometer here. A meat thermometer. You got ways to go. It's only 71 degrees. I'm trying to get it to 100 degrees and then I'm going to start basting it. I'll add the garlic, the thyme, and the butter. And then I'll start basting it until I get it up to like 115, 116, and that should be good to go. It's almost up to temperature. Let me toss in the garlic here. And the thyme. And I'm going to start basting it with the butter. Oh, this smells so good. Alright, this is done. I'm going to take it out. Look at how beautiful the caps are. Let me season the shrimp really quickly with some pepper, salt, and garlic. And let's just toss it into the pan right here. Let's let them cook. Next, let's grill the salmon. I'm gonna use the same oil, same butter. Skin is looking pretty crispy. I'm just waiting for the salmon to get up to temperature, 145, and then it will be ready. Alright, this is finally done. It's at internal 145. Last but not least, let's steam the lobster, and then we're ready to eat. Whoa, look at this! Salmon and some lobster. Whoa! That's your plate, okay? Don't touch it yet. I'll cut it. I'll cut you some. Let's cut it first, yeah? How is it?
Very good.
It's good?
It's
Nice.
crispy.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try some of the fish. Here, try some of the steak.
The fish is good for you.
Here, try some of the steak.
Can you imagine it? Because I could launch it.
I tried it before.
I can never imagine that.
Yeah.
But here we are. And we did it.
This came out really nice. Look at that. Oh, I just dripped some oil on myself. This is a ribeye cap round. It's the edge of the ribeye. So the Costco ribeye was pretty big. It's like I took off the edge and then I rolled it into the cap. There's pretty much cap ribeyes.
You should try the skin.
Is it good? Crispy, right?
So crispy.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. The oil is dripping. There's a slight tilt here. I think we need to elevate this. There. Sorry. Yeah, there's a slight tilt here. Can you put something under here too? 太大嚿，太大嚿，太大嚿，太大嚿. You like the steak today? Yeah, you can take some of this. Yeah, you can try some of this. Yummy, isn't it? You want haha? You want to try some of the haha? The haha is cold. You want this one? All right. This came out perfectly, actually. Okay, go with that. Yeah, it's nice. 跟你直接差。Spencer's really enjoying the steak today, huh? Tasty, isn't it? Chew, chew, chew. You gotta chew more. You gotta chew more. Alright guys, today we're not going to be doing the Q&A. Rena isn't feeling too well, so we're going to skip it. We'll probably do it tomorrow. And if you guys have any more questions you want to leave us, be sure to leave them in the comments and we'll go through them all tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to be heading over to Great Basin National Park. We'll probably start making our way over in the morning right after breakfast so we can hit up the visitor center. If you guys want to keep watching that, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Can we say thank you for watching?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.